Is sour cream keto? Sour cream is a type of dairy product that's been soured with an acid, such as vinegar or lemon juice, or more frequently, by lactic acid bacteria. Because of bacterial growth in the cream, there is thickening in the texture and it becomes sour tasting. Basically, sour cream is fermented cream. Traditional sour cream is made from cream with at least 18% milk fat. Low-fat sour cream is different from the original, full-fat version, and typically has 25% less fat. A non-fat version of sour cream has less than half gram of fat in it for every 50 grams or half cup of cream. Regular sour cream contains a good amount of fat and can help you absorb nutrients. Fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K are absorbed well in your body when you pair them with dietary fat. Research has also demonstrated that the probiotics in sour cream can influence the bacteria in our digestive system. The health benefits of probiotics include reducing inflammation and restoring gut flora, important factors to a healthy digestive system. To get your custom keto diet plan, click on the link in the description below. So let's go back to our main question. Is sour cream keto? Sour cream is a keto-friendly choice for anyone who is looking to add more fat to their diet. But if you are following a ketogenic diet, it's important to avoid low-fat and non-fat versions, and to always read the nutrition labels. Remember, when they decrease the fat content of a food, they usually increase the carbohydrates. Keep in mind that 100 grams of non-fat sour cream has 0 grams of fat, while 100 grams of full-fat sour cream has 19 grams of fat. The best choice here is regular full-fat sour cream, which has lots of fat and very few carbs. To get your custom keto diet plan, click on the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.